Welcome to Hindustan Times Digital. My name is to look at the top features of the Xiaomi Redmi 9 smartphone. This phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery supported by 10 watt fast charging, and then you have a 6.53-inch HD Plus display and powered by octa-core processor. So let's get started with the top features of the Xiaomi Redmi 9. With the Redmi 9 from Xiaomi, what you're getting is a tall screen profile with a 6.53-inch display, HD Plus resolution, which is 720 by 1600 pixels. It houses a water drop notch which houses the front camera, and basically the design of the phone, it's quite it has a good grip in the hand, and it feels quite nice to hold, and not very bulky at all, and the ergonomics fit into your hand, so it's very easy for one hand usage. At the back you have a textured black finish, and we have this matte black variant with us of the Redmi 9, and it has basically all the simple elements that you look for from a phone these days. So the rear fingerprint scanner, it's rightly placed quite below the rear cameras, and then you have this micro USB 2.0 port at the bottom, which is right next to the bottom facing speakers. You also have the front facing speakers right above the notch where you have the front camera, and apart from that you have the buttons as well. So both the buttons, the volume rocker button as well as the power button, is on the right hand side of the phone, so you can easily navigate and you don't have to move around to the other side to do that. But the SIM ejector slot and the one wherein you fit in the micro SD card, that is on the left hand side, so it's on the top left. You'll have to basically fit in that SIM ejector pin and to get started. Apart from that, you also have headphone jack, which is at the top. So yeah, this phone has headphone jack, so that's a very good thing as well. And yes, finally the Redmi branding, which basically talks about why the phone and who the phone belongs to. In terms of the features, the hardware features, this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 processor, and the variant that we have with us is 4GB RAM with 64GB storage. The storage is further expandable. The dual rear cameras, you have a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera, and on the front you have a 5 megapixel camera. In addition to this, you have a 5000 mAh battery, which again is supported by 10 watt fast charging speed via micro USB 2.0 port. So these are all the basic top features of the Redmi 9 from Xiaomi. So with a 5000 mAh battery, 6.53-inch HD Plus display, octa-core processor MediaTek Helio G35, 4GB of RAM, 64GB storage, which is further expandable, dual rear cameras, and the battery supporting 10 watt fast charging with micro USB 2.0 port. The Redmi 9A, a budget phone, gives you everything that you need for the price.